In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best IDEX 3D printers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the IDEX 3D printers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the IDEX 3D printers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Tronxy GEMINI S IDEX Multicolor 3D Printer. The Tronxy GEMINI S IDEX Multicolor 3D Printer is a cutting-edge FDM printer equipped with dual independent extruders, allowing for the creation of intricate multicolor prints. The mirror copy feature ensures precise duplication of objects, while the IDEX, independent dual extruder, system enables simultaneous dual color printing. This DIY kit comes with a full metal frame for stability and high precision, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and professionals looking to explore the world of multi-material 3D printing. Number 4. SV04 IDEX Auto Leveling 3D Printer. The SV04 IDEX 3D printer boasts an impressive build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, making it suitable for large-scale projects. Featuring the TMC2209 silent driver, it operates quietly and efficiently. The IDEX system, coupled with auto-leveling capabilities, enhances printing accuracy and ease of use. With independent dual extruders, this printer provides the flexibility to work with multiple materials simultaneously. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned maker, the SV04 offers a reliable and user-friendly experience. Number 3. Newest IDEX 3D Printer Climber 8A. The newest IDEX 3D printer, known as the Climber 8A, presents a robust full metal frame and dual independent extruders for high precision in large-scale printing. This DIY kit allows users to assemble and customize their 3D printer. The IDEX system with dual X-axis ensures efficient and accurate dual extrusion. With a focus on quality and size, the Climber 8A is designed to meet the demands of professionals and enthusiasts seeking a versatile and reliable 3D printing solution. This IDEX 3D printer's link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 2. Tronxy GEMINI SFDM 3D Printer. The Tronxy GEMINI SFDM 3D printer offers dual extruders and a mirror copy IDEX system, enabling independent 3D printing with dual colors. The kit includes all the necessary components for assembly, providing users with a hands-on experience. This printer is suitable for those looking to explore dual extrusion capabilities and mirror printing techniques. With its user-friendly design and reliable performance, the Tronxy GEMINI S is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 1. Sovol SV04 3D Printer with Independent Dual Extruder. The Sovol SV04 3D printer takes the top spot with its independent dual extruder, IDEX, system, TMC2209 silent driver, and auto-leveling features. Boasting a large build volume, this professional-grade 3D printer is ideal for creating intricate and precise prints. The SV04 offers versatility with its dual extruders, allowing users to work with different materials simultaneously. The silent driver ensures a quiet operation, making it suitable for various environments. With its user-friendly interface and high-quality components, the Sovol SV04 is a reliable choice for those seeking a feature-rich and efficient 3D printing experience.